We can't verify, you know? We have to test it, see if we can play other games. Look, don't get me wrong. I'm still going to play Overwatch, but I'm thinking maybe I'll play a little Overwatch and a little bit of something else. Alright? Play a little Overwatch, a little something else each day. And then on Sundays or Saturdays, depending if I'm free or not, like depending on what day I'm free, we'll do like something that's not Overwatch. But that being said, wait, there's no desktop anyway. Is there desktop? Oh, there is. Okay. Okay, so I played a little bit just so I can see if it ran. Like I was just testing it. I've only played about 2 minutes. Okay, let's start a new game. Be this loser or design a victim. Okay, here we go. And design a victim. All right, let's go. Orange, green. Oh, I kind of want to be the Hulk. Let's see. White. Let's go like. Let's go like. This is too pale, maybe. That's fine. Hair. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, okay, I'm starting to feel... Oh! Now that might be it. That might be it, that might be it. Head. Let's... Do I want a butt chin? I don't know. I might want that. Lower this a little bit more. Give me 2 minutes? Okay, well, I'm gonna make the character so you have 2 minutes more. Here we go. Body. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait. Might be cooking on this one. Oh. Yeah, hell yeah. That might be it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna have that WS. I don't know what nose. What nose did I have? I sure I was talking to an old man and he had like a nose like this. So ears. Oh, wait. Gotta see. Oh, this goes hard. This is drip right here. This is drip right fucking here, dude. Gotta get rid of these glasses. Wait, fuck these glasses. This is drip. Wait. Oh, oh, this motherfucker's seen some stuff. Gotta be tough though. He's gotta be tough. This screams tough as hell. Wait, what's tougher? This shit is tough as they get, dude. Wait a second. Oh wait, that's... Wait a second. Oh, wait, we gotta have that green eyes. Okay, that's tough. That's tough as fucking hell, dude. Alright, that is tough, dude. Wait. Oh, wait, I don't know what's better. This is kind of tough, but this is tough too. This is tough as hell, though. Okay, we gotta finish it off. Bro, this is... Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, no. There, that is tough. What do you guys rate my character? What do you guys rate my fucking character? This shit's tough, dude. Give it like a 9.8 out of 10. No. 10 out of 10. Perfect. It's beautiful. Alright, you guys ready to begin? Let's do this, though. Let's do this bullshit. Alright. Okay, well, obviously I played a little bit, so I know this. It's easy. I'm not gonna fall for that. Alright. Here we go. With this. Alright. Go left. I already feel this fucking... Feel the lag, man. Some bullshit. Well, I know it's at the end of the game, it's a low-end game, so I'll be fine. This is Tomodachi Life. I'm gonna lose it. This is not Tomodachi Life! Where the fuck did you get the idea this is Tomodachi Life? I don't even own Tomodachi Life. I've seen some clips of it. I've seen some fucking clips of it. Okay, so how are we gonna go around here? Alright. Avoid that motherfucker. Avoid this motherfucker. This is not Tomodachi Life. Alright, how are we gonna do this? Oh, damn, baited, bitch. Okay, fuck that tree. Wait, what? See this tree watching me? Yo, this tree's watching me. Okay. Jump over. You can't jump in this game. You can't. You distracted me, Ham! Don't give me advice, man. There's no jump in this game. Okay. Gonna bait this one. Bait. Yeah, okay, baited. I know that tree. I don't trust trees, man. I don't trust any goddamn trees in this. Wait, what? How did I... What, you could fall? Bruh, that's bullshit. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be kind of tough. Okay, so... What the fuck is that? Okay, bait this fucking tree. Go past this tree. And then this one, can you bait it? Can you bait his ass? Can you bait his ass? Can you... Hi, Dispecs, what's up? I forgot. Okay. Go past this tree. No! That tree moves. Bait this tree. Okay. Move past this tree. This one you can't bait. He just watches you. Okay, who the fuck shot me? Which one of you motherfuckers shot me? Jesus fucking Christ. You fucking sick? No, I'm not. The only thing I'm sick of is sick of your fucking shit, dude. Okay. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck, dude? I'm trying to get in a... No! I'm trying to get in a rhythm. How am I going to get past this tree? Okay, just move past it. Then there's another one right here. Back up. Alright. Wait. Oh, shit. It fell. Okay. Wait. Back up. This game might be too much for Uncle. No, I got this. Bait at the tree. Bait the tree. Okay. Move past... Okay. No. Lock in, Unc. Lock in. Past this tree. Go left. Go up the stairs. Bait the tree. Go up. Alright. And then we're going to go down. Then go past this. Go past this tree. Take a walk. Avoid that one. You motherfucker. Oh! Okay. Don't confront the tree that tries to shoot you. Back up. Go left. Go up. Go this way. Bait the tree. This tree doesn't get baited. Go down up the stairs. Halfway up the stairs. And we're going to go left. We're going to bait this tree. Bait the tree. Okay. Go up. Go left. Bait this tree. Bait this tree again. Wait, bait this tree. Wait, I know this. Bait this tree. Okay. Go right. Alright. Bait this tree again. Bait this tree. Bait. Still in level 1, by the way. No, I'm level 2 now. This is easy. I'm not gonna... Okay, give me a second. My dogs be barking. Let me grab a sparkling water, too. Okay. Going up. Going to go past this tree. Oh, you thought you were faster than me, bitch, didn't you? Give me a second, my dogs be barking. Okay. You see how I can bait this fucking tree? There's got to be something with this tree. Ooh! Okay. No. This is how we do it. We bait this tree. We're faster than this tree. We gotta be faster than this fucking tree. Go fast. Go look. When the fuck did that one get a gun? When the fuck did that guy get a gun? Wait. Why do you have a gun now? Wait. Wait, which ones have a... Okay. Miss! Get juked, bitch! Oh! I'm choking you! Oh! Wait, this probably has a gun too. Wait, get the fuck away from me! Get away from me! Oh! Need more anger. I'll never be angry. Angry is a fucking... Wait. Okay, juke. Oh, juke. Okay. Wait, this one has a gun too, right? No, get away from me. Okay. Wait. I'm not angry. Too slow? Don't worry. I'm gonna move my uncle bones. Wait. I don't know. Why do I keep standing there? It's like, for some reason, this spot makes me want to, like, it's a spot that makes you kind of want to ponder. This is like the type of spot, like, you're in the showers in prison. This is the type of spot where it makes you want to drop the soap. Like, it just makes your mind want to do something, right? And this spot makes you want to stand still. Alright, so... Oh! Back up. Missed the bullet. Okay, I may... Nope. Hey. Okay. Baited. Okay, we're gonna run past these motherfuckers. Easy. Dodge, juke. Okay, go here. Juke. Ah! Okay, that's not fucking juke. That is not juke. Juke right here. No! Juke. Okay, easy juke. Oh! Juke! Ah! Okay, it's okay. Oh! Why does that spot call my name? It just looks so friendly. It looks like a spot you can rest at. Okay. No. You can't rest. Okay. Back up. Juke. Okay. Easy juke. Oh! Easy juke. Juke. Okay. Now we gotta run. We gotta run for our lives. We gotta run. Come on, little man. Come on. Yes! What's down here? Oh! Okay. Okay, watch this. I'm not dying anymore, boys. I'm not dying anymore. Last death, I promise. Give my word. Watch this. I already learned this game. I get it now. I understand it now. Here we go. Juke! Yeah! Ah! Okay, I don't understand it. That was the last. That's what I meant. I was just warming up. I was warming the fuck up. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do this again. Okay, back up. Okay. Wait, juke. Wait, no. Not sharp turn. Take a wide turn, and then we go down. They're gonna run fast. These motherfuckers run fast. Okay. Then we're gonna go left. Watch, bait this one. Easy bait. No. You know what they say? 3 strikes and you're out. 3 strikes and you're fucking out. This is my 3rd strike, boys. I'm 3rd at bat. I'm about to hit this. Or fucking Big Bubba. Tell you what, look. I'm this confident. If I strike out right now, I'll let Big Bubba do what he wants with me, alright? I'll go back to prison, and I'll let Big Bubba have his way with me, alright? But for now, okay, here we go. Easy bait. Oh! Easy bait. Okay. This time I really got it. This time I actually got it. Okay. Run. Okay, watch. I'm baiting. Wait. Oh, I baited you. Wait a second. Wait. How's this work? Wait. Okay. Get baited. Yes! What did I tell you? Wait, what's over here? Wait, I kind of want to see what's over here. Okay. Wait, there's no bait over here. Nice. Oh, a coin. Nice. Please, please, please don't tell me we're restarting. Please don't tell me this is a fucking restart. Please, 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 please. Alright guys, it was a good stream. It's a little short, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, we're gonna give this one more go, boys. Look, we learned everything. We literally, how can we fuck it up? How can we fuck it up? That doesn't count. That doesn't count because I didn't die technically. I restarted. Wait, how the fuck? Wait. Remind myself how this fucking work. Wait a second. Okay, wait. Give me a fucking second. Give me a second. Wait, bait it. Oh, easy. Oh. You didn't see, dude. Oh wait, actually, I remember how to do this. Okay, back up. Easy bait. Oh, okay, I gotta remember this. Bait this one. Bait. And then come over here. You bait this guy. Okay, come this way. Bait him again. Bait. Wait, bait. Ah! Okay, we did not fucking cook. Okay. Wait a second. You go around here. Wait. Okay, easy. Okay. Bait this one. Okay, bait it, and we're gonna go left. Bait. Go right here. I don't even think. I'm not gonna lie. There you go. We could have just done that the whole time. Okay. This time we really got it this time. Okay, bait this one. Okay, bait. Wait. Bait. Oh. Bait. Okay. Ooh. Bait. Okay, and then we just gotta go around quick. Can't give him a chance to get us. Run. Okay, go left. Wait. Okay. Get past this one. Miss this one. This one. How? Okay. It's fine. Don't let it get to you. Okay. Back. Ooh! Okay. Left. Okay. It's all good. Easy. Bait. Okay. Bait. Okay. Easy bait. Oh wait, this one's not baited. Wait, mistake. I made a mistake. Don't punish me for it. Don't punish me for it. Okay, this is how we do it. Go up here. We bait this one. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay, we did it. Okay, we're back. Okay, fuck you. Easy. Wait, why would I not go up here? Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh! Okay, it's okay. Okay. We got this. We got this. Don't go in there. Don't go here. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Genuinely, what the fuck? Okay. Can we bait this? Wait. Okay, we baited it. Wait, another coin. Okay. That was easy. Ah! Okay. Baited. Okay, we'll bait this one, right? And then... Okay. Wait, what does the coin do? Why do I want the coin? Do I want the coin? Wait. Missed. Get baited, bitch. Oh! There's no fucking way, dude. Okay. Okay, we got this. We generally got this. Like, there's no reason to fucking... Okay. Wait, what do we... Okay, this one doesn't make sense. Why, like... Who gives a fuck about these trees? Is it, like, just bait? Or what is this bullshit? Wait, can I use these trees as... Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, I forgot. Okay. No, generally, fucking... We got this. Okay. Back up. Come this way. What's the difference if we go up and down? Like, it's just... It doesn't make any sense, right? Okay. So these are just fucking bullshit. Like, these are bullshit. Okay. We'll go up here and back up. Go up here. Go up here. Back up. Okay. Easy. Okay. Here. Wait. How are we gonna do this one? Wait. Oh! What the fuck? Oh! Okay, I think we're gonna have to go left to right. I mean, right to left. Okay. Right to left. Okay. Wait. Okay, we got this. Actually, we generally got this. Just lock the fuck in. Okay. Wait. Okay, there. Go right. Okay. And go bait this one. Bait. Oh! Okay! No! Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm too fucking ass for this game. Okay. Back up. Well, now we go this way. Okay. Go back. Okay, easy. This one's done. Let's go here. Okay. And then it can't go. Okay, yeah. Okay, bait this one. Wait, actually, what am I doing? Wait, no. I know what I need to do. Bait this one. How are they so fast? Dude. What is the point of these fucking trees? Let's try a new fucking method, dude. Here's a new method. Alright, we're gonna go here. Easy bait, easy bait, easy bait. Listen, Dispecs, I'm listening. I have the method. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, let's hear the fucking method. Okay, take that. Go here. Go left. Go right. Wait a second. Go this. Are you gonna shoot or not? Gonna shoot or not? Go! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Ah! I fucking hate this game. I fucking hate this game. Okay. I think I got it this time. I generally think I got it. Okay. Bait. Bait. Go left. I don't get it. I don't fucking get it. I generally don't fucking get it. Okay. Okay. Go here. Take a right. Take a left. Okay, I get that one. I get that one now. I get it now. It's an angled fucking gun, dude. It's an angled fucking gun. It's a little fucking angled gun. Okay. There's double angled gun. Okay, no, it's one angled gun and then one straight. Okay, that I can deal with. Okay, go right. Bait this one. Bait this one. And then this one's an angled fucking gun. Wait, what? Dude, what do you fucking do in this game? Just slow down when you make it? Okay. Take a right. Oh, okay, I get it now. Woo! Okay. Please, God, just let me get through this. Okay. That was so easy. That was so easy. Come on. I'm gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall for any of these traps. Okay. Not falling for this anymore. I got this in the bag. Okay, I got it. Genuinely, I got this. Bait this. Okay. Bait this. Move this gun. Okay. Bait gun. Bait this. Bait this one. Bait this one again. Wait, bait it again. And then bait this one. Okay. I know what I need to do next. I'm literally... Bait this one. Bait this one, and then we're gonna go right here. Take a right. Go left. Bait this one. Bait this one. Bait this one. There you go. Go here. Go here. Wait a second. How do you do this? Wait, no, okay. Don't fall for that. Don't fall for that. And then there's another fucking bait. Okay, bait tree right here. Go here. Go here. There's no bait right here as long as I remember. Wait. Oh, there is! Slow down more and think. You're right. Sometimes you need to be fast, that's why. Okay, go through here. Go here. This is a bait tree. Wait, is this a bait tree? No, this is a bait tree, yep. Go here. Go here. This is a bait tree. And then this is also a bait tree. This is a bait tree as well. Yep. Bait tree, and then there's another bait right here. Okay, we need to land right fucking there in the corner. Okay. We need to land in the corner. Okay, go on the bait. Okay. Hold here. Well, we literally got this game in the bag. We figured it out. Okay, we'll go here. We're gonna go right here. Go right. Bait this out. Bait this one out. Go here. Bait this out. Bait both of them out, probably. You even bait them both out. Go here. Go left. And then go here, and then there's a bait tree. Don't let it bait you. Go here. There's another fucking... Can you get the fuck out of the... Thank you. Get this fucking tree out of the way. And then we're gonna get baited by this tree. Send that one. And then... what we have to do is end up right here on the right. Wait for... Okay. Just run back. Okay, no, we're good. We're fucking good, dude. Okay, bait this one. Bait this fucking tree. Go right. Go right. Go left. Bait this tree. Bait this tree. And then we're gonna go here, bait this one again, bait this one too. We can go up here, go here, go here, go here, go here. Okay, bait this one, get this one out the fucking way, bait here, out of the way. Okay, maybe you're not fucking... You get the fuck out of the way, you random ass tree. Wait a second, how do we... We go right here, left. What? Go here. Dude, what? Don't tell me I'm stuck in this corner. Don't tell me I'm... Please, don't do this. Please. Please, don't do this. Okay. This one... Okay, go right here. Baited. Go here. 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 Okay. Go right here. Go right here. Don't let this tree get... Don't let this tree... Wait, please, 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 please. I need a little sip of my drink. Oh, please. Please don't fucking do this. Okay, okay. So Where's the checkpoint in this bitch? What? Are you blocking me? At least you're not mean. You're not very mean. You're kind of nice. But I feel like this is bait. Wait, so what? What? Run! 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 Run for your fucking... Run for your fucking life! Out of sight, out of fucking mind. Oh, that's how it works. Stop looking at me! I said stop looking at me! I don't even know if I want to. Okay, it's not bad. It could be worse. It could be worse. It could be worse. Hey! Hey! That's not nice! Fuck you, I'm going. Hey! You fucking piece of shit! Yo! Let me through, asshole! Dude, he's not letting me. He's not letting me through! Stop judging! It's easier to judge than it looks! Yo, let me through! Let me through, dude! Dude! 7, 6, 7? Okay. I'm looking. Dude, okay, wait, stop! Stop the counter, stop the counter! Wait, oh, I gotta go on the edge, I gotta go on the edge. Wait, I don't get this. I don't get this. I'm leader of bozos for a reason, alright? I'm leader of bozos for a reason. That honestly did not fucking occur to me. 11 times. I was learning! This game's about learning and memorization! It's so easy to judge when you're not the one playing, man. This is time for some DC, man. Only Diet Cola can save the day. Okay. Oh, I didn't know you could read. Oh! Can Diet Cola save you 11 times? Yes. Watch. Oh, checkpoint. Okay, I'm going right. Yeah, I knew it. How fucking stupid do you think I am? Why is there fucking explosive fucking pineapples? Is that fucking SpongeBob fucking apples? Oh my god. Why is it like half the time I get thorns on me now? Do I have to stay away from the fucking... Wait, you wouldn't get it, piss test. I'm under a lot of fucking stress and pressure. I'm stressor, alright? I'm under a lot of fucking stress, alright? I mean stress and stress. I mean stress. That means stress. Oh my fucking. That means stress. Why can't I say? That means stress and pressure, okay? Stressor, okay? You wouldn't fucking get it, piss tests. Or any of you guys, I'm going to say. Okay, why do I have thorns on me? Like, why have 1 and 2 times I have thorns on me? It doesn't make any fucking sense. And then I make fucking easy fucking... Let's just have to go through this quick. Go here, go here, go here, go here, go here. That's the bombs. Go past! No! What the fuck is wrong with you, game? You guys want to see how fucking angry I am right now? Want to see how fucking angry I am? If you guys ever been so angry, you can just do this. Oh my god. That's anger right there. Alright, here we go. Ugh! I'm just fucking might as well die. Why do I have thorns on me? Like, it's 1 and 2 times you just get automatic thorns on you. Can I clean them with the grass? Okay. Okay. This time it's not gonna happen. Wait. We go around. Oh my god, thorns. Let me just fucking die. Here we go. Okay, go here. Wait a second. Go to left, go left. How? You go on the left side of the tunnel? No. To the left side. What's on the left side? No, I have thorns on me. Like, why do I have thorns on me half the time? Can I shake them off? No, what? Like the left side of the right tunnel? Okay, let me see. There's thorns on me. Left side of the right tunnel. Like, are you talking about like right here? Okay. Okay, I don't even know. No! Dude, come on! No, it happens. There's just thorns. It doesn't. 1 of 2 times there's just fucking thorns. Doesn't matter where I go. Okay, just don't fucking. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Actually, I think I know. Yeah, come through here. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Let's try this. Yes. You inserted a coin. Trees hate you. What is this? What is this? Oh. Oh, pine? No. No! What a fucking... Wait, huh? Wait, what? Wait, oh! Wait a second, this is... wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Did I trip? Did I trip? Am I tripping over the thorns? Get your ass up, dude. Get up! Get the fuck up! Get your fucking old ass up! Get up! Oh. What the fuck is this? Crossy Road? There's no way there's good. Yes! Yes! Easy! That wasn't even fucking hard at all. That was easy as fuck. Of course, there's a fucking tree. Hmm? I'm going to heaven. I'm going to heaven, boys. I always knew I was going to go to heaven. This is beautiful. Wow.